How's it going, everyone? I'm KG the Drone Pro, and today I'm going to be talking about the future of autonomous drone operations. If you haven't seen one of these before, then you're probably not alone. This is what they call a drone in a box. More specifically, it's the DJI Dock 3 with a Matrice 4D thermal camera version. This setup allows for remote operation and mission planning. Basically, you can sit in an office on the other side of the world and fly this from your desk as long as you have a stable internet connection. I call this the future of drone operations because it allows for one person to remotely operate not just one of these, but dozens, if not hundreds. The box and drone both have several camera sensors that don't just record high-quality photos, but also provide obstacle avoidance. The GPS is RTK, or real-time kinematic GPS, which allows for centimeter-level accuracy and positioning. When you pair that with AI advancements, the sky is the limit, no pun intended. With the click of a button, you're able to launch a mission from anywhere in the world and fly it manually, or let it fly along a predetermined route in order to capture high-quality imagery. This is useful for a host of different industries. Primarily, it will be used for security patrols, construction monitoring, infrastructure inspection, and even search and rescue. I believe we'll be seeing a drone-in-a-box platform in many locations in the near future. Instead of needing a pilot to drive out to a location, you can have one of these boxes live in those strategic locations day and night, in heat waves and in snowstorms, that are ready to launch at any given moment. When lives are on the line, every second matters.